Uma confusão. Não, e aí foi.
Is that the best drink that you've got? I prefer the bourbon stuff.
His first name is Martine. M is in Mary. Artijn. Last name first. Capital S is in Sam. J. P is in Paul. S. Okay, I mean that should be fine, and then I'll square it with him later. Thank you.
What is it called?
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, you got it's already got the tag on it, right?
Yeah, already
Thank
got it,
you.
yeah.
All right, welcome aboard.
That's how you surprise her.
I love it.
What's happening?
All right, get out the Okay. Yes, please.
Good, how are you? Thank you so much.
In the overhead bin, wheels first. Please keep your smaller items and jackets with you until we've found space for the larger carry-ons. Small items may be placed under the seat in front of you. Just be sure they fit completely under the seat, keeping the area around the feet clear. Once you've found your seat, please step into your row to allow those behind you to pass. Let us know if you need any assistance finding a place for your bag. We're here to help. If you're seated in an exit row, now is a good time to review the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you. Please take a look, even if you are a frequent flyer, because each aircraft type is different. If you are unable or prefer not to sit in the exit row, please let a flight attendant know, and we'll be happy to find you another seat.
What number do you want? 36A, right over here. In the row with this one.
I made it.
FAA regulations require you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with all posted and lighted signs. Please review the safety card located at your seat.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle. Tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt must be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off.
Please take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Airbus A320 is equipped with 4 exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slides will automatically inflate. In a water landing, slides detach from the aircraft and serve as extra propulsion. There are also 4 window exits on wings, 2 on each side. When opened, ramp slides will automatically inflate. If needed, lifelines are located in overhead compartments above the window exits. In a water landing, do not use the window exits unless advised by a crew member. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you are unable or uncomfortable performing exit row functions and assisting in an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft.
If necessary, oxygen masks will drop from a compartment above your seat and ceiling compartments in the lavatories. If a strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Should you need it, you will find a life vest equipped with the water-activated light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap around the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end tight. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube.
This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary.
Smoking, vaping, using e-cigarettes, or smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Now boarding.
Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. For taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow all devices. We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. If you lose your phone or other device under a seat, ask a flight attendant to help find it. Please do not move the seat, as this can damage the device and its battery.
We know that who you choose to travel with matters as much as where you're going. So thank you for choosing to fly with United.
In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. If you're seated in an exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shades for a taxi and takeoff.
I'm thrilled to be partnering with United to bring Huberman Lab to you during your travels.
This is Stephanie Sue, host of Rotten Mango. I'm so excited you can now tune into our show right here on your United flight.
Until next time, see you later. See ya.
Airbus, where the local time is 9:17. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug any of your items or devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and the area around your seat to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Your feedback is really important to us. Some of you will receive a survey asking about your experience via email or the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us tonight. We hope you've enjoyed your flight. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties.
Thank you. This is all. Oh, this is you. Thank you.
Thank you.